Hello guys, welcome to another trading video in which you will get to learn Forex strategy. Today we will trade in popular pair Euro versus US dollar. You will get to understand the proper retracement strategy in this video with which you can also trade and generate profit. If you want more strategy then you can check my channel playlist. We will place the trade first. I have $3,200 in this account that will try to enlarge. If the market goes against us, so like the previous video, you will get to see the loss. I am increasing the lot size in which I will use 0.12 lot, which I have already calculated. I know my risk. If I lose again, it doesn't matter, loss is part of our game. See you after some time. Guys, directly we got to see the loss, which is of $380. Let's see how long we can hold it. If the market goes according to us, there will be profit. If the market goes against us, then there will be a loss. One of the two conditions will be. Let me now explain to you from which reason I have placed the buying trade. Here you must not understand the market trend properly. Market was running sideways from last 4 to 5 days, but now the market has seen a little glimpse of the uptrend. This shows that the market is preparing to go into an uptrend. If this happens, then we will get to see a good move. First, create trend channel for uptrend, for which we will take trend line. We will put it on the higher low point below the market. This will give us support dots for the uptrend. Ours should be trend line right, because this trend line has to draw another trend line. Take another trend line and put it up with the same angle, where all the points will be connecting well. Market is working perfect according to our trend channel. Hope it will work well in future until the market breaks the lower trend line or the upper trend line. If we want to make profit in the market, then we have to do a lot of work on psychology and technical analysis till we get to see good result. Now we have to draw the supply-demand area, so that we will get levels of support resistance. For this we will use rectangle tool as usual. We'll put it at this place because the market has done multiple times reverse here. With this we will also get past support resistance point easily. The market took resistance at these places, whereby we got to see the reversal candle. Here too the market took resistance. Here again took the resistance and saw the reverse candle. At this place the market broke the resistance and made it support. The market has taken multiple times support at all these places. This shows that this is a very strong level where the market is reversing again and again. High percentage chance market will go up from here, like we analyzed it as high probability trade, because the market is about to come out of the consolidation of many days. Here we can expect a good move. Where do you see the bullish pin bar candle, which gives an indication of the market going uptrend? In the previous video about such a candle was told where we did the analysis right, but our stop loss was hit because of a fake breakout. Later the market moved rapidly towards our target point. So far our analysis is going right. Now let's do further analysis so that we can cover the market from all angles. Another strong support resistance level is visible here. I'll tell you by drawing. For this we will again take the rectangle tool, because the market is reversed multiple times here. You can clearly see the support resistance point. The market took double resistance and went down sharply where our trend line is, breaking the resistance here and making it support, which we got to see the upside candle. Here too the market has taken resistance. This place also has multiple times resistance, and the market is still near this level at the moment. But the market can break this level and go up because the market is changing its trend, and also we got to see the candle near the bottom strong support resistance level. This candle is also called hammer candle, which is formed at the time of trend reversal. Here our analysis would have been completed. Now we have to stop loss and target point. In which one of the two was a hit we will close our trade, whether it is in loss or profit. Here you can see my analysis like I have done analysis on MT4 platform. In the same way I do my analysis on TradingView. If your analysis is the best, then no one can stop you from making profit. Always stick to your setup, whether it is loss or profit. If you have traded multiple times with the same setup, so you will definitely see the result of your setup. Now let's put stop loss and target point on MT4. Guys, we have come to $802 profit from loss. Now the market has started going up. I put stop loss and target point. Here the market is breaking out on the upside, due to which we are seeing good profit. You can see my stop loss and target point, which will make it easier for you to understand. My stop loss is below the trend line and strong support resistance level. If the market gives a trend line breakout, then our stop loss will be hit. We will not exit the trade until the target point and stop loss are hit. Our work is done here. Now we have to wait till when the market hits our target. Our analysis is correct because the market is moving according to our analysis. Let's see what reward the market gives us. Let's see you after a few hours.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reaction.
beautiful profit. Guys, our goal was achieved very quickly. We did not even think that the market would go up like this. We achieved this goal in just 5 hours and 47 minutes, which is a good thing. The market respect to our setup, which helped us achieve this goal. My target was to the level where the market is now. That has been a hit. The market has already given the indication that from here it will go in an uptrend with strong move. The previous trend of the market was sideways, her previous trend was downtrend, and is now in an uptrend. If your analysis is in the right direction, then you will always be in profit. If you have 2 trades in loss and 1 trade is in profit, even then you won't be in loss. If you walk by system, you can be a profitable trader. Let's close the trade now. Our goal is achieved. Here's my profit running $5,320, what we calculated at the time of taking the trade. You too can make profit with risk management and proper technical analysis. See you after closing all trades. I had put $3,200 in this account, which is $8,663. We grow our account like we had goal. Today's return is 170%. Guys, we had this high probability trade. The market is still going up, but if your goal is achieved, then the trade should be closed. Too much greed is evil. If you respect the market will respect you. Here we see another strong support resistance level. Let's draw with rectangle tool. The market took resistance 3 times at this place and reversed. We are drawing this level because in future, whenever the market comes to this level, we will get to see reversal. At this place we got to see the breakout and going up after retesting. This is also a strong support resistance level for the market. Okay guys, you all take care. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Thanks for watching this video.
Like this.